Hello everyone, today I will show you about this equipment. This set of equipment is mainly divided into three units. The first unit is the feeding unit, the second unit is the assembly unit, the third unit is the sorting unit. To constitute these three units, first look at the feeding unit. The feeding unit is controlled by Siemens PLC1214C. There is a telescopic cylinder on table body which serves as a feeder. The small square box is RFID. Its role is to write or read the state of the chip. The middle is the assembly unit. It also has Siemens PC1214C as a control system. There are three sensors on the platform. The three sensors are photoelectric sensor, capacitive sensor, and inductive sensor. What is the role of these three sensors? Everyone look at what is in my hand. There are three different color blocks. These three sensors are used to distinguish the color of the block. There are two fiber optic sensors and one inductive sensor at this location. Function is to distinguish the color of the material cover. What color of the material is coming in front, what color of the cover is assembled here. The last one is the sorting unit. Siemens 1214C is also used as a control system. There are two cylinders and two sensors on the platform. The function of the sensor is to detect the assembled material of the assembly unit for sorting. There are three troughs on the platform. The first trough is to place metal block. The second is to place red blocks. The third is to place the charged material, which is the black material block. Position is a touchable computer display. PLC programming can be realized on this. Let's take a look at the overall operation process of the equipment. There is a rotary switch here. On the right is the automatic state. The left is the manual state. Manual state is that each unit can be operated independently. Now enter the automatic operation state of the equipment. First turn the knob switch to automatic state. PLC and computer network cable must be connected to the switch for communication. The main station is the feeding unit. Press reset. At this time, the start lights of the three units have begun to flash. If it does not flash, the unit has to be reset. For example, the cylinder did not return to the intentional position. Now press the start button. Pushing out. It's black now. The red one enters the second bin of the sorting unit. The current material status is displayed on the touch screen. For example, how much material is assembled, how many red, black, and metal material. This page displays the IP address of each unit and the PLC model.